Welcome back, guys. It's Dr. Tom. Today we are going to look at postural modifications, especially for our upper limb. So if you're someone that feels like your shoulders are rolling forward, your head's coming forward, you've got a little bit more kyphosis, which is arching of that mid back, this one is going to be great for you. These are 5 exercises you can follow along in real life and get the cues and everything you need to make the changes and gain that better posture that may help reduce neck pain, shoulder pain, thoracic pain. Add this to your routine, let me know how you go, and let's get into it. Okay guys, so for the first one, I want you on straightened arms. We're going to slowly step through with one leg on the outside of the hand. Now with the same side, so whatever leg you've got forward, we are going to slowly feed that arm under us, so down and on the angle, and then slowly open up the chest, hold for 3 seconds, puff the chest, stay nice and strong through your spine, and then feed the arm back under. So we're keeping this extremely slow, controlled, and slowly feeding the arm back. As we do this, I want you to try and focus on putting pressure, as much pressure through that front foot as possible. So we're just going to 6 reps here, guys. That's 4. And 5. Remember to use your breath in through the nose as we come up, breathing out through the mouth, slowly coming down, stepping back from there. Bend the knees for a second, stepping through with the opposite foot. From here, same thing again, 6 reps, very slowly, feeding the arm under as we breathe in through the nose, breathing out through the mouth, opening up the chest. So remember to put pressure through this leg, foot into the ground, feeding up, puffing the chest, and 2. And 3. And 4. And 5. And 6. Slowly stepping back, bend the knees, and we can come out from there. So for the next exercise, guys, we require a foam roller. So what we're going to be doing here now is placing the foam roller in the mid back. From here, palms facing each other, we're going to be slowly extending over that foam roller. Then we go palms facing the ceiling, out a little to the side, relax, slowly come in with the hands again, lift, and move the foam roller up the spine. So slowly going down, trying to roll that spine over the foam roller, palms go to the ceilings, out to the side, relax for a second. Slowly coming back in, palms facing each other, a slow little lift. Keep working up and down the spine with this one. So slowly drop down, let this spine roll over, arms out towards the side, and slowly coming back, palms facing each other, and lifting from there. Down the spine again. Dropping over, you're going to find that you've got a few areas that are tighter than others, so we can really focus, zone in. You might want to do a few extra reps on the area that is a little tighter. So you're almost doing a little sit up on that area, shuffling down one little segment at a time of the spine, opening up the arms, letting it relax over. This should feel quite nice. There shouldn't be any pain. And down the spine again. So I normally do about 10 to 15 reps with this, as many as you feel your body may need. Some people may find that they've got very good extension through their thoracic spine, that they don't need too much, and that it may not be stretching the chest here as well. But others may struggle, so if you feel like you need it, do 15. If not, just stick with the 10. And last one here, extending off, arms out to the side, let things relax, and then bringing the arms back, palms facing each other. lifting up from there. So for these next ones, what we're gonna do is lay in a prone position. So face down. Our forehead's gonna be resting on the ground. From here, we're going to slowly lift the forehead first, giving yourself a double chin. From here, lifting the elbows off the ground from a bent position. And then from here, we're going to be trying to squeeze the shoulder blades back and down as far as possible. So squeeze, squeeze, squeeze as hard as you can for 5 seconds. Slowly release the shoulder blades and let the head rest down. Coming straight back up as you breathe in. Squeeze the shoulder blades down, breathing out, keep squeezing. 2, 1, slowly release and head back down. So I want you to focus as you bring the head up, double chin, bring the shoulder blades back together. So we're retracting those shoulder blades and then squeezing them as far down as possible. So the distance between your ear and shoulder should be at maximal. And you should imagine that you're trying to squeeze a little marble between the two shoulder blades, but squeezing that marble down towards your bum. So as low as you can with the shoulder blades, which is all lower traps. Release from there. Good, guys. So we're going to get 10 reps done here. Holding, 2, 1, and that was for 4. And lifting the head first. Shoulders second, squeezing down. And good, good, good. Release. 5, halfway. Head first. 3, 2, 1. Slow release. 4 to go. And 3 to go. Keep at your own pace, guys. Shoulder blades really squeezing down. Open up, puff that chest. And slowly down. Two to go. That's good, guys. Last one, we should feel those lower trap muscles really starting to be activated. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. We're going to hold this one a little longer. I'm going to count you in. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly coming down from there and pushing up off the ground. Okay, guys, so for this next one, the big one that we are going to use to open up that chest, and this is for the desk workers, the people who spend a lot of time in the cars and or on their phones. So what we're doing here, going shoulder width, shoulder height with the elbows. We're pressing the hands into a doorway wall. From here, we're going to step through until we start to feel a stretch. And then from here, we're going to apply a little bit of pressure. So maybe a 10% effort, nothing more. Holding that for 3, 2, and 1. Take a breath out, relax. And let your body sink through more, let the stretch increase. So we're doing 5 reps here. Let's go again with the activation. So 10% activation, squeeze, 2, 1, and then let everything relax. Use your out breath to let your body sink further into that stretch. So we've got 3 to go. Do them nice and slowly. So activate as you breathe in, 2, 1, breathe out, relax. Let everything open through the chest and everything sink forward. There should be no pain here. We've got 2 to go. Activate as you breathe in. Keep it light. 2, 1. Breathe out, relax. Good, let it go. Let that chest open up even more. And then let's go last one. Squeeze forward, 2, 1. Breathe out, relax. Let that body sink through a little bit more. Okay, so what we're gonna do from here, the same exercise, but we're gonna lift the arms a little bit more. So this hits a different part of the pec tendon, the chest muscle. And what we're doing here, same thing, we're just gonna do 3 reps for this one. So we're gonna rock forward. You might feel that this is more of an intense stretch or it's a little different or not as much, just because it is a different part of that pec tendon. So same thing, relax. So just 3 reps here. As you breathe in, apply that resistance, follow the breath. 2, 1, and breathe out, relax. Good, let it go. And we're gonna do one more here, a little bit of activation. 2, 1, and then breathe out, relax. And good, slowly come out from there. Okay guys, so coming up against a wall, this is one of my favorite exercises, and honestly, one of the biggest game changers you can do that is going to really help your posture. So with this one, I like to have a little bit of bend in my knees. We're going back against the wall. We're gonna lock the rib cage down, flatten that lower back into the wall. We're gonna start with our hands trying to come all the way back so our wrist make contact with the wall. Now, a lot of people here will start to arch their back to get that mobility through the wrist. That's a no-no. So we are locking that lower back into the wall, back of the head pressing into the wall. If your wrists are out here and you don't have the mobility, that's okay. You can do this exercise with your wrist forward. If not, and you can get your wrist back against the wall, we're gonna go from there. So what we're doing here, we're gonna reach up, overhead, keeping everything in contact and pressing back firmly into the wall, and then slowly bringing those elbows as low as you can until those wrists start to really lift off from there. So we're going 10 reps here, nice and slow, don't restrict the breath. Breathing out as you come down, locking those shoulder blades against the wall, the back of the wrist against the wall, that's 2. And 3. And 4. And 5. And 6. And 7. And 8. And 9. Last one, guys. And 10. Okay guys, so the last exercise for today is something very similar to that, and you can do this throughout the day. So I want you guys to set yourself a goal. If you work in an office or drive a car a lot or are in poor postures throughout the day, I want you to achieve this 3 times today. You don't have to do it right now, but 3 times today. So this is a challenge for you guys. What we are doing here, I call this confident cocky posture. So you're gonna do this for 30 to 40 seconds twice every time you do it. And we're gonna try and do that 3 times a day. So 2 lots of 40 seconds, 3 times daily. What we're focusing on here is externally rotating the arms. Keep the elbows straight. Squeeze the shoulder blades back, puff the chest, give yourself a double chin, lock the tailbone under, ribs locked down, and we're holding that posture. So if I do a little rotation for you here, you can see that my shoulder blades are squeezing as far down and back as possible. But as I do that, I'm keeping these ribs locked down. Chin locked back. So when the chin's locking back, you should feel these deep muscles in the front of the neck activate. And we're holding this for 30 or 40 seconds. Come out from there, have a little rest. You can move around for a second and then go back into this, keeping the shoulders locked down. Double chin. Tailbone locked under, shoulder blade squeezing down and back. The distance between your shoulders and ear at maximum, so try to increase that distance every time you do this. And doing that. So that is your homework. Try and do that today, guys, and see if that makes a difference in terms of changing your posture, decreasing neck pain, decreasing shoulder pain, and improving thoracic mobility. Hope you enjoyed today's session, guys. I will see you next week. Remember to write in the comment section if you want to see any videos in particular. So take care, guys, and I will see you next time.